These days, making money using apps has become super common. Whether you want extra cash, a steady side gig, or even a new career, tons of apps are built to help you earn from your phone or computer. But with so many choices, how can you figure out which app is the best to make money? This guide dives into the top money earning apps from various categories, like
So could you believe that this voiceover wasn't said by me? It was just an AI. This brought us to today's video. Now I'm going to show you to how you can go ahead by using this platform called NOIZ.ai. Charlie, this voiceover cloning machine is very nice. All you need is to record your voice over here or upload a voice that you want to clone over here. So if I'm to record, I'm just going to go ahead by going to this section where it says start recording. So I'm going to record everything like what you see right now. It's recording. So what I'm going to do is to hit on done over here. Now that I'm done recording, it's going to process the audio for me. So I'm going to go to next button right over here, and I'm going to preview, or it's going to allow me to preview this voice over. Right, if you are trying to create a faceless YouTube channel, I mean, this is going to help you um, create a lot of faceless videos without even getting banned on YouTube, because AI voiceovers are not allowed by YouTube over here. So you can go ahead to go to the section right over here by hitting on listen, of which you can listen to it, and now you can go ahead to change the name. Right, you change the name to the name that you want. Select your agenda over here, and then you add whatever you want to add over here, and then hit on save. So right after hitting on save, now that you are done creating your voice clone, now what you need to do is to come to the studio section, and you can select your voice that you want to clone. So you come to the section where it says clone your voice. Right, you select from any of that right over here. So you can see clone your voice and then design your voice. So you can select from that, and then through that you can just go ahead by creating any video that you want using your own voice over here. So what I'm going to do right now is to go ahead to select any random text from this blog post over here, copy it, go back to NOIZ.ai, and then paste it over here. Then what I'm going to do is to allow you to speak it. So if I hit on speak it, you can see I've already exhausted my credit for today. Right, that's the reason why it's showing me to upgrade. So the upgrading process is very simple. You don't have to worry much about how to upgrade. You go to the section, and before I will dive into that, I will leave the link to this platform in the description below and the pin comment section. All you need is to click on that to join this network over here. It's very nice, and absolutely you can do whatever you want to do. Create a faceless YouTube channel videos with this voice over clone machine, because I was just doing research. This is not a sponsorship video. I was just doing a research, and I got to find out this platform is very best out of the rest. So what I'm going to do is to go ahead to this section where it says upgrade. Okay, so the upgrade section, you can come to the section where it says upgrades. For just 1 month you're going to spend only $2.99 over here, and I will advise you go for 99.99 over here for 5,000 credits, 500,000 credits over here with 2,000 daily bonus. So every day you can just clone every voice each and every day by yourself, if only you want to do a faceless YouTube channel content over here. So I will advise you go ahead by just joining this platform over here. I will not spend much of your time. You can just go ahead by trying this out and leave whatever you will see in the comment section, and I'll be there to help you out. Thank you very much guys for your time. See you in my next video. Stay safe and then peace out.